This is the Modified CO2 Tolerance Test. This is a breath assessment aimed to look at a few different components of your mind-body connection. One, your lung capacity. We're also looking at your breath control, how long and smooth you can control your exhale. We're also looking at your CO2 tolerance, so how much carbon dioxide your body can handle as it elevates as you're exhaling and holding your breath. There are a few components of this test, and I want to cover each of them before we do it together. So the three components, first is getting comfortable, sitting up. I like to do this in the seated position. Second is we're going to take 3 breath preps. So inhale and exhale 3 times to connect and ground your body, to activate your lungs, get your body prepped for this test. And then finally, we'll take 1 extra inhale deep, all the way filling up. You're going to hit the timer and exhale and time how long you can string out your exhale, controlling that exhale as long as you can. Whenever you get to the bottom of the exhale, you're not done with the test quite yet. You're going to hit lap and hold your breath. So you're going to hit the lap button and hold, and now time how long you can hold your breath following that extended exhale. This will give us the exhale time. This will also give us the hold time and then a total time. So we'll have part 1, how long did you exhale? How long did you hold your breath? And then how long in total was your full result? One final important note, we're wanting to control the variables of this test to create reliability and consistency. And the one factor that I want to control the most is that exhale. You don't want to exhale too much because your time will be reflective of exhaling too fast. You want to exhale as little and as controlled as possible. And sometimes I use my hand as feedback. So I'll blow in a way that I can barely feel the exhale against my palm. And this will control the exhale and be consistent as you practice. Another way to do this is visualize a candle flame, and you're blowing in a way that the candle flame just flickers but doesn't get blown out. So you're blowing just very, very gentle, and just try to keep that consistent as you test. So let's go ahead and practice now. Sit up, get comfortable. We're going to take 3 deep breaths to prep. Deep breath in. Exhale, let it go. All the way in. Exhale, let it go. Make sure your phone timer is ready. 1 more prep. Exhale, let it go all the way out. Good. The next one, you're going to start the timer at time your exhale all the way in, all the way in. You can use your hand and begin exhaling as long as you can. As long as you can, maybe 20 seconds, maybe 40, 50 seconds, as long as you can. So we're just exhaling smooth, and you're getting to that bottom of your exhale just slowly, slowly, slowly. Remember, once you get to the bottom of your exhale and you can't exhale anymore, hold your breath. And as soon as you hold your breath, you're going to hit that lap button. But keep going, keep exhaling. And then whenever you need to hold it, hit the lap button, and then get that second time. And whenever you're done and you have to breathe in, hit stop on the timer, and those are your results. Keep going. You can time yourself. Keep going. Now that you've done this test, you have your metric. You want to record that, write that down. I also like to do this test 2 or 3 times in a row to get a nice average on how I did, because sometimes my body wasn't right or I didn't breathe out right. So you can do this test a few times to get that average and have some extra reliability on the test. All right, enjoy, try it out, take notes, and have a beautiful day.